How to deactivate Facebook account temporarily in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So what you have to do to deactivate Facebook account is you have to simply open your Facebook app and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then here you have to scroll down and then click on the settings and privacy, and after that click on the settings. From here what you can do is you can simply scroll down, and what you can do is you can scroll down, and here you can see the option of account ownership and control. Click on the account ownership and control, and when you click on this, then here you can see the option of deactivation and deletion. Click on this, and here you can see the option of deactivate your account. You have to choose the deactivate your account from these two options, and after that what you can do, and deactivating your account, it means your account, your name and photos will be removed, and for most things you have shared is removed, and you will be still continue to using messenger. And if you deactivate your account, so after 30 days or within the 30 days you can reactivate your account, but after 30 days you can't reactivate your account due to your account is permanently deleted. So make sure that you reactivate your account if needed on the 30 days, and after that click on the continue to account deletion in the bottom, and here you have to enter your password, and when you enter your password and click on the continue button, then it will deactivate your Facebook account. So that's basically that how you can deactivate your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate it.